One of the biggest names in the entire internet marketing industry is Michael Cheney. The man has made multiple millions upon millions of dollars doing what he does. And he recently held a class where people paid $4,000 per person to watch him speak in person. And what he did was when he gave this class, he actually recorded it. And now he's offering that entire class that people paid $4,000 to attend. He's letting you get it for $9.95. And I've also got the best bargain that you're ever going to see for Fast Track to $1 million. It's coming right up in my review of the Fast Track to $1 million program. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people that can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know the drill. Feel free to skip ahead. I know my jokes, they can be as stale as the bread I just threw out. I'm actually back in New York for a little while. You can see I've got my green screen behind me again. Not really working correctly the way I wanted to, but whatever. Anyhow, so I'm back to my old jokes, but we do still have the new website and the new intro. But if you are if you are new to the channel, what I do here is 2 through 3 review software and info that make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple to make sure that you don't need to buy much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, seriously? I haven't seen you for 6 weeks. Now you just show up and say the same thing again? Seriously? Anyhow, if you are new the way these work, if I like your product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. Now, you see, Liz and I, for the time being, at least, we're fellow New Yorkers. I'm going to be here for 2 weeks, and then I'm flying back to Pennsylvania to my new house, which I'm very excited about. I'm going to be doing a tour of it pretty soon for you guys. But for the time being, Liz and I were fellow New Yorkers, so she can get away with saying the same thing every time. Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button at the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. It's ranked to subscribe. Doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Yes, we're looking right now at the sales page for the Fast Track to $1 million. Let me get myself out of the way over here. And this is from Michael Cheney. Now, if you don't know who Michael Cheney is, then you probably don't know a whole lot about internet marketing. He is one of the biggest names in the industry. He kind of took about a year off when his dad passed away about, I guess, a year and a half, 2 years ago. He's back now with a new team, and he's putting everything together. And he's what he did was recently, he taught a class. People paid $4,000 for this class, and in order to get in, you're getting it for $9.95. But you're not just getting that, because I always want to give you the best bonus you can possibly get. So I watched the class, and it's amazing. It's going to really, really change your life if you put it into action. But what I realized was the one thing that's not included here is that nothing is done for you. So I want to give you a head start. So what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to give you a head start. I'm going to give you 10 ready-made videos that you can simply customize and start selling stuff right away. Now, these are not just videos they can customize. So first of all, I hire professional actors to introduce every single one of these videos. So these are pros who actually go ahead and give a little introduction to get the thing started, and then it goes into the review, which is also professionally recorded, and you have a ready-made bonus available as well. Everything is going to be included for you in these packages. Literally, it's plug and play. All you got to do is upload it to your own YouTube channel, and you're off to the races, basically. So that's number one. Number two, I also managed to convince Michael, because I know Michael. We've been friends for a little while, and so I managed to convince him to actually give me a few things that I could give away to you. These are exclusively for me, only from me. Basically, most other affiliates will not have these things, but I was able to convince him to give you guys even more stuff than the 10 ready-made video reviews that I've got for you already. So you're also going to get the affiliate list building hack, the millionaire cheat sheet, accelerate your commissions, and money loves speed. Okay, all those are going to be included for you completely for free as an additional bonus on top of my 10 package bonus. But if you pick up any upgrade, I'm also going to throw in your choice of Boost Opt-in or Storyist or SEO Explosion or Social Viral Club. You get your choice of any of those things. You pick which one you like and pick up any upgrade. You're going to get that for free as well from me as a bonus. Okay, so once again, basically, you're going to be getting all of this stuff included completely for free, the 10 ready-made, ready-to-deploy videos. And again, these are not something that anybody else has access to, and these are not just a video. They actually have professional actors who are going to stand there and introduce it and tell your customers. Our expert is going to explain it. Of course, I'm the expert, but you don't see my face on those. Basically, I'm just introducing them, telling people about them, just the way I would do a regular video for you. You're going to have access to these videos and professional bonuses. It's all ready to do. It's literally plug and play. You can't get any easier than that. Okay, it is literally, it's 5 seconds of effort from you to upload them to YouTube and start using the methods that Michael's going to teach you in order to push them out and start making money right away. All right. Now, again, this is going to be $9.95. I want you to see how crazy this price is, because this is literally, it's not, you know, a class like I do where I'm sitting in front of my computer and teaching. He was actually teaching live. You see, these are screenshots. He's literally standing there in a hotel ballroom, teaching live to people who paid $4,000 per person to hear him speak. And they actually had professionals recording the videos. My cat is here, by the way, to say hello. He hasn't been on the video in a long time. And you're again going to get the actual recordings of this actual class that he was teaching that people pay $4,000 for. And check out this price. Okay, seriously, it is $9.95 for the whole thing instead of $4,000. $9.95. Okay, seriously, nothing is going to be as affordable or as good as this. Spend a few minutes, sit with your cat if you got one, and watch his videos. Use my bonus, and you're going to start making money.
You the man.
So yeah, definitely. Yeah, you the man. This is really good. I really like this thing. Grab it. You're gonna love it.